Hi, today we're going to work with a long, messy document, and I'll show you how we can use AI to clean it up and use different prompts for different needs. So I'm going to show you this very long, messy document. And if you've ever opened a document like this, have notes, have emails, duplicate content, all put into one, then this video is for you. So this is an internal document from our small manufacturing business, our test and example business, Mapleworks. These are notes, emails pasted in, meeting chaos, conflicting decisions, and zero structure. So my first prompt is going to be summarize what this document is about for someone who just joined the team. Focus on goals, risks, and why this document exists. So here we go. Copilot tells me that this is a messy internal only running log of Mapleworks Q2 operations and the cliff loop related launch. And it lists the goals: launch Cliff Loop successfully, stabilize production planning, get wholesale ready, close quality compliance gap. So it gives me like an overview of what's going on in this document. It also tells me the key risks from what I see here, and then what a team member should take away first. The tentative internal launch target is May 26th, largely due to materials and QA readiness. Two decisions are repeatedly flagged as urgent, and the team is trying to move from messy notes everywhere to clear owners. So this is great. And this is my first move with a messy document, just orientation, so that everyone starts from the same understanding. The next prompt is this: list all decisions mentioned in this document. For each decision, mark whether it is confirmed, tentative, or unclear. And Copilot does that. So we have all the decisions, whether they're tentative, confirmed, or unclear. So gives us an even better overview. And what I want to point out here is, let's just unfold this a little bit, because what you can see is that there's conflicting launch dates. We have a launch date, but then something is wrong with the delivery, so the launch date is unclear. And there's a mixed dialogue decision not finalized. And also we have standing PQ undecided. So AI doesn't fix the confusion or fix my issues, but it makes confusion visible very fast. So it gives me an option of seeing what I need to fix as a person. How do I need to move on from here, right? Okay, and next prompt is extract all action items from this document, group them by team: ops, marketing, QA, customer support, and systems. Include owner if mentioned, and flag missing owners. And of course, I can copy paste all this content into a new document or into an email, so that I can involve others or get an overview in a different place. And it becomes super useful for me like this. So the AI doesn't invent owners of different tasks. The missing ownership is, of course, a leadership problem for MapleWorks, not for AI. So that's kind of important here that, of course, it doesn't fix that. It just gives you an option to see where leadership is actually missing. Next prompt that we will try on this document is create a one-page internal summary called Q2 Cliff Loop Status, what this means. Use these sections, what changed, why it matters, current working decisions, open questions, what each team needs to do next, and use only information from this document. And here we go. You can see AI working over here. So it creates this one-page internal summary in the document and gives you an overview of the whole document and what's important. This is so awesome. And we have the mixed dialogues here again. So this, for example, can replace Slack clarifications, follow-up emails, and version 14 of the same spreadsheet. We have here the whole summary for the team, and we will now go to the bottom here, and you can see it's still working on it. It's doing a really beautiful job here, and you can see that it's what each team needs to do next. It puts name on and says that Maya, for example, has to revise and share the updated production schedule. So it gives me ideas on who should do what to fix this bloody mess. There's some jobs for Eli, for Quinn, and there's something unassigned, Eli, Tessa. So it really makes my job easier. So I don't have to do all this. It does it for me. And I can just run with that. And here's the next prompt. Based on this document, suggest which documents should be pinned in SharePoint, what should be a single source of truth, and what file naming problems are causing confusion. So AI works really well, not just at rewriting things or having it write things from the ground up. It also helps to make workflow. So it improves how work flows and not just the text itself, which is super helpful for small businesses. So as you can see, we have this here. It suggests which documents should be pinned, and it takes them from this document. So it decides where to save files, what the file naming rules should be for this, etc., etc. What should be the single source of truth? We need one file pinned and a list of for versions. So it's helpful with this as well. And the final prompt is draft a customer safe response for customer support when asked about lead times, manufacturing location, delays, and please avoid blaming vendors and avoid over promising. Yeah, let's get real. So it does that. Thanks for checking in. We're currently preparing our next production run and processing orders in the order received. We'll send tracking as soon as your item ships. If your order is time sensitive, tell us your deadline and we'll help you choose the best option. And Copilot even suggests, if they ask for an exact date, a reply for that, the manufacturing location, and if they push for, is it made in Canada? Because this MapleWorks business is Canadian. So that is a very real question that this company could get. And finally, delays. We're currently preparing our next production run and processing orders in the order received. We'll send tracking as soon as your item ships. If your order is time sensitive, contact us and we'll help you choose the best option. And again, if they say, why is it taking so long? So these are some really helpful prompts when you're trying to clean up messy documents and get an overview and kind of structure the documents better and delegate work to who does what and why do they do that. So I hope this little tutorial was helpful for you. And if so, like and share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.